In today's video, I will walk you through how to check supported networks on Uniswap. To begin, make sure your wallet is connected to Uniswap. Once you're on the main interface, look toward the top of the page for the currently selected network. Clicking on the network selector will open a list of the blockchain networks that Uniswap currently supports. Browse through the available options to see which networks are listed. Each supported network can host different tokens, liquidity pools, and trading activity, so it's a good idea to confirm that the network you want to use is available before proceeding with any transaction. If you're looking for a specific token, you can also use the token search feature after selecting a network. This helps you verify whether that token is available on the blockchain you're currently using. If the token doesn't appear, it may exist on a different supported network instead. You can switch between the available networks by selecting another option from the list. If your wallet supports that network, you may receive a prompt asking you to approve the network change. Confirm the request in your wallet, then wait a few moments for the interface to update. And that's how to check supported networks on Uniswap.